Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change Facebook language. Friends, if you want to change Facebook language, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on three lines. Now press on settings and privacy. Now here you will find settings. Press on it. Now in settings you will find language and region. Press on it. Now here you will find option to change language. So to change your accounts and app language, you need to press here, and from here you can select the required language. I will select Hindi language, and after selecting language, press on save. Now it will take some time, and now as you can see it has changed complete option in the selected language. So friends, like this you can very easily change your Facebook language. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.